Hello and warm welcome to today's short presentation of XFusion. Before we start, a short disclaimer. This here is no financial or legal advice. This presentation is just for informational purposes. And when we speak about financial markets, please be aware of the risks in this market. And if you decide to do something, please just take money which you can, in the worst case scenario, afford to lose. So what is XFusion all about? XFusion created a platform. We are a community with a platform where our community can use three different products, and on top of that, if they want, also build a business on it. The very good thing is that everything runs completely under one referral link. The first market we have a look at is the Forex market. This is the world's largest financial market with over 7 trillion US dollars daily trading volume. And this market, you can trade a lot of currency pairs, for example, Euro, US dollar, and many, many more. And this market is very high liquid. In the market, mostly the big institutional investors are winning, and the so-called retail investors, this is the masses, this is the common people, they are unfortunately on the other end of the chain. And we found a system where we can help all of our community members, and we speak about over 70,000 members already, to use exactly the tools that the high investors are using. For this, we need a gateway in the market, and this is a broker. We decided to go with Tagmarkets. Tagmarkets is an established broker already since 3 years in the market, 2 times licensed and regulated. One is an offshore license on Mauritius, and the other is an onshore license in South Africa. Over already or up to 1 million active users. This slide is a little bit older here, and around 350 billion US dollars monthly transactional volume. Means we speak about a real established big broker in this industry. And the reason why we went with this broker is very easy. I said it already. They offer us the tools that the institutional side is using, and this is called amplifying. Let me explain you that. The market, as I said, is risky. So means the retail investors, all of us, mostly seek for high profits. The thing what comes with high profits is mostly a non-existing risk management. Means when you have a high profit, this can go good for a certain period of time. But when there is a losing day, and this is quite normal on the market, there is no trader who has only positive trading days. When there is a losing day, you are always at the risk that you can lose everything you built before. So it's always better to decrease the risk and, on the other hand, increase the capital. But how to do? Here is the solution. So for example, you put $1,000 as a security deposit in your own brokerage account, only accessible through you. And after 28 days, if you want, you can also take this money back. It still stays with you. This is no package. This is nothing where you buy something. It's a real deposit. Now we assume we have a trading strategy which made, based on past performance, 1% in average monthly. This would mean $10. Most of the people here stop and say, this is not enough. But let's have a look when we use this Capital Boost 24x. With Tagmarkets and so-called liquidity providers in the back, every single dollar that one of our community members is depositing is taken 24 times. So means we have here in this example $24,000 trading volume. Now we take the same trading strategy with very small risk. We have just more capital, and based on that, the 1% is now, in this example, $240. Now it's getting interesting, and you don't need to do it by yourself. What you can do here is using copy trading, because many people are either have no knowledge in this market, or maybe a bit scared, or have simply just no time. For all of them, CopyX is the right platform with our partner Tagmarkets. Here you can choose under various copy trading strategies. You just choose one which you like, connect to this trader, follow, and all these results are directly copied to your account. And the community mostly here in that case choose NeoFX and Sonic. Why? Both of them are fully transparent. Everything there is trackable. You see every single trade on a daily basis. In MetaTrader 5, you have a so-called track record on my Facebook where you can look backwards up to 2 years. means there is a proven long-term performance. And the most important thing, both of them are working with a strong risk management and a controlled and stable drawdown. What does it mean? Let me give you an example here based on NeoFX. This trader has the focus on what? Not risking third-party capital, means investors' money. So he is trading just one single trading pair, euro US dollar, and just one single trade per day. Sometimes even there is no trade on a daily basis. Why? Because a reliable trader, especially when they are trading third-party capital, they check if the market is not too risky to enter. When there is no good entry point, instead of trying to gamble, better not to trade and start on the next day. When there is an entry point, the risk per trade is maximized of 0.3 to 1% of the capital. Means a total loss is not given here. And it's very easy how this is made. When the trade is opened, there is directly defined 2 points, take profit and stop loss. Means when the trade goes in the right direction, there is a point where the trades get automatically closed with a plus, and if it goes in the wrong direction, when it goes into minus, which once again is part of the game, is totally normal, then this minus is maximized on 1% of the whole capital and the trade gets also automatically closed. Here is the focus on quality over quantity. Just clear setups are traded, and with this strategy, we can provide for our community, like I said, over 70,000 users from the beginning of December last year till now, and every single one is benefiting from a steady growth. Means everyone here is earning money on that. And you see this here, we have a past performance of NeoFX. There is an account which we funded on the 23rd of October last year with $20,000. Now also here we have the 24x capital boost, so means a trading volume of $480,000. At the time of this slide has been prepared, there have been 76 trades, 67 of them positive and only 9 ended with a losing day. This is a very good win rate of almost 90%. What's even more impressive is that we have here a maximum drawdown, means risk of under 1%, and a result in around 4.5 months of $17,236. The 20,000 that which is as a security deposit in stays always your money, means you're already close to so-called return of invest with a very low risk. For all of you who have more time or want to take a little bit more responsibility, there we offer in a Telegram group also exclusive trading signals. You get everything necessary what you need to trade by yourself. You get market analyses, you get all the entry points, the take profits, the stop losses, but you decide, because you're in full control, if you want to take the trades, yes or no. If you follow the risk management they give you, yes or no. This is for the people who goes a little bit more into the market or have more time. Let's summarize. No subscriptions, no monthly costs, no entry fees, no nothing. Everything is completely 100% transparent. Everything you put in as a deposit goes 100% into trading. Everything is visible on one dashboard. It fits into your daily routine because it runs fully automated and your money works from the first day. Till here, nothing is deducted. Only when you're beneficial, there is something called profit share. Means out of your profits you make on a daily basis, which you can instantly withdraw, 70% stays with you and 30% is taken away. And now from this, the costs are paid. 5% goes to the trader. We have an affiliate program in the back with 21% and 4% is a marketing budget. Important is that everything here comes from the market. The trader, you put the security deposit on the brokerage account, the trader takes this money, goes to the market. From the markets, there are fees and also profits. And from there, the whole system is paid. And here you see also this affiliate program where we have 4 different income streams. Where I don't want to go deep inside right now. This we do in a later call, but you see here that you can earn on the lot commissions. This is the fee in every trade you earn on this profit share, both of them in 10 levels deep. There's a so-called infinity bonus and 2 pools which you can monthly qualify for. This system is residual, means as long as the people which you refer this trading solution to have the benefit from it, as long you get paid out of the margin from the broker. On top of that, the second business we can run is a crypto exchange called bit1.com. This exchange is fully up and running. It's just by invitation only. Means you get a referral link, which you can just share with other people. What do they need to pay? Nothing, zero. They just use this exchange as they use any other exchange when they're already in the crypto space. This exchange here has a very good offer for traders. Means when you trade by yourself, or on top of that, you would like to also use copy trading in the crypto world, please, warm welcome. This is offered on Bit1 because there is a real, completely copy trading ecosystem behind, with trading bots and everything necessary, what is needed to have the best trading experience. Both of it, it's also 2 times licensed in El Salvador and in Canada. The good thing here is that we are not dependent on any coin or token in increasing or decreasing value. Here, when people are buying, selling, staking, or trading cryptos, there is something called gas fee, like on any other exchange as well. This is the income of the exchange. In our case here, Bit1, 60% of these fees are going back into the community, and also here you can build a residual income on that. And to make this whole system round, we offer a payment solution. This is a decentralized crypto wallet with a Visa card behind called Bix.fi. Let's have a look at it. First of all, when you have $9.99 on your wallet, you can apply directly for the virtual card. This virtual card is Apple and Google Pay ready. It means you can connect it within a minute. You have this card and you can spend money all over the world online or on any POS, means point of sale. If you want to go physical and also deduct money from the ATM, this card is available in 179 countries and has 3 different options. The plastic card costs a one-time fee of $100, metal card $250, and the gold card $25,000. This is just up to your preference. The cards have completely identical functions. And this fee is just a one-time fee. There is no monthly or something else or yearly. You pay one time to get the card and then there is no fee anymore. On top, very important, a thing called direct money movement, means everything is nearly in real time with one click on this card and ready to spend. There is no external wallet anymore necessary or nothing else. You can directly upload your crypto, top up, and go and spend them. If you would like to spend money smart, you can sign up for $9.99 monthly. You don't need to, it's not necessary, but with this, you have a so-called Miles and More program. It's a Visa reward program, a little bit like the American Express Platinum card. Means every time you spend money, you earn miles. You have a concierge service on top. You have access to airport launches. You have car rental insurance and many, many more benefits involved in this card for just $9.99 monthly. Very soon, there will be also a banking on and off-ramp function. Means SEPA and SWIFT will be included, and you can use your cryptos now to what? To transfer money from A to B. You can use it actually like a bank account. Also here, summarize the key features. Apple and Google Pay ready. There is no spending limits. Everything that is on the card which you top up, you can spend. Is it $1? Is it $1 million? Doesn't matter. The company behind doesn't set you any limit. It's an easy way to store your crypto assets and spend them in the real world. The nearly instant loading times and no loading fees. What you top up is really then also available on the card and ready to spend. The only fee that occurs here, and this is a normal fee, is between merchant and card provider. Means when people use this card to go shopping, then there is a fee deducted, which is the income of the card provider. The good thing here is also there, 60% of this fee is going back into the community and also create a residual income stream. Let's summarize everything together. We as XFusion, we created a platform where everyone can choose out of 3 different services. If they use all of them, just 1 or 2, no matter what, they can build passive income streams or just use a payment solution. And on top of that, if you like, you can by referral build another income stream and help other people to get the same benefits. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next presentation.